So welcome to this very quick and short tutorial. In this tutorial we're gonna see how you can read and write Excel files in Python Pandas. So the first thing you want to do is import Pandas as PD. So after that, suppose that you create a new data frame. Type in this data frame and visualize it. Okay, so let's write this Pandas data frame into Excel spreadsheet. What we're gonna do is use df dot to Excel specify the file name, which we're gonna name name.xlsx. We're gonna specify a spreadsheet name, which we are gonna call blah blah, and we're gonna specify that it will not have an index. So if we run this code cell and open our file folder, we're gonna see a name.xls file. If we open up this file, we're gonna see that it has the 3 rows specified. Boom. Now let's suppose that we want to read this file. What you want to do is use pd, meaning pandas, read Excel function, specify the name and the spreadsheet name. Let's read this. Boom! And we've got the XLS file read, and you can use this equal to a df2, so you read the file and store it into a data frame. Let's run this code. You are good to go. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. For the next steps, you can see those two tutorials. Read data from file using pandas, for example CSV files, and also select a subset of pandas data.